When you create your Typeform account, a generic subdomain is created for you. But you can customize your Typeform subdomain and the characters at the end of your URL to add a personal touch. First, let's customize our subdomain. From your workspace, click your organization's name and select Admin Settings. Here you'll see your default subdomain. To customize it, we'll click Change URL. Here you have two options. You can choose from a selection of standard subdomains, like form or survey. Or you can write your own by selecting Custom Subdomain. Keep in mind, this will be the same for all of your Typeforms, so choose something that makes sense for all of them, like your company name. Hit Got it, and voila, your new subdomain is live. So now that we've customized our subdomain, we can customize the end of our Typeform link. In the Share panel of your Typeform, click Customize Link. Click Edit and type in whatever you'd like to identify this Typeform. Just make sure that it's not one you've used before. Unlike your subdomain, this part of your URL is unique for every Typeform. Finally, click Save and you're all set. Now you have a Typeform URL with your chosen subdomain and your own custom link. But you might be wondering, what happens to your old links? If you're changing your subdomain, respondents with the old link will be redirected to the new link with this redirect message. If you've already changed your subdomain and you want to change the characters at the end of your URL, no problem. The old link will still work as long as it has the new subdomain. So you don't have to worry about updating any links you've already shared. You are welcome from Typeform.